Stainless steel kitchen cooking tongs offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top stainless steel kitchen cooking tongs from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Number 1. Are you ready to upgrade your cooking experience? Introducing the HOTEC Premium Stainless Steel Kitchen Tongs with silicone tips, the must-have tool for every home chef. This set includes 3 sizes, 7-inch, 9-inch, and 12-inch tongs, perfect for all your cooking needs. Whether you're tossing a fresh salad, flipping juicy steaks on the grill, or serving pasta at the table, HOTEC tongs have you covered. Crafted from durable stainless steel with non-stick, heat-resistant silicone tips, they can handle high heat without melting or scratching your cookware. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, while the locking mechanism makes them easy to store in a drawer or hang up after use. Safe, sturdy, and versatile, these tongs are dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and built to last. From everyday cooking to backyard barbecues, the HOTEC Premium Kitchen Tong Set is the reliable helper you'll reach for again and again. Cook smarter, serve easier, and enjoy the convenience of a complete tong set in your kitchen today.
Number 2.
Meet the heat-resistant stainless steel kitchen tong set. Built tough, versatile, and ready to handle the heat. This set includes 3 sizes, 7, 9, and 12 inches, giving you the right tool for every task. Toss a fresh salad, flip juicy steaks on the grill, or serve hot food with ease. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these tongs are strong, rust-resistant, and built to last. The heat resistance up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit means you can cook with confidence. No melting, no warping, just solid performance. Each tong features silicone-tipped grips to protect your cookware and ensure a secure hold, even on slippery foods. Plus, the locking mechanism makes storage simple. Just pull to lock, push to open. And cleanup? Easy. These tongs are dishwasher safe, so no scrubbing required. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, serving at the table, or grilling outdoors, this set of 3 heavy-duty locking tongs is a must-have for any home chef.
Number 3.
Meet the OXO Good Grips 12-inch stainless steel locking tongs, your new go-to utensil for everyday cooking and grilling. Crafted with durable stainless steel, these tongs are built to handle anything from flipping thick cuts of meat to tossing fresh salads. At 12 inches long, they give you the reach you need to safely turn food on the stovetop, oven, or grill, keeping your hands away from the heat. The signature OXO soft, non-slip grip provides comfort and control, even when your hands are wet or greasy. Plus, the scalloped edges ensure a secure hold on food without tearing or slipping. When you're done, simply pull the convenient locking mechanism to close them for compact storage in a drawer or hang them up with the built-in loop. Best of all, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. From weeknight dinners to weekend barbecues, the OXO Good Grips 12-inch stainless steel locking tongs are designed to make cooking simpler, safer, and smarter.
Number 4.
Meet the 304 Stainless Steel Kitchen Cooking Tongs Set, a must-have tool for every home chef and grill master. This set includes 2 sizes, 9 inches and 12 inches, giving you the perfect length for any task, whether you're tossing salad, flipping meat on the grill, or serving hot dishes at the table. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, these tongs are built to last. They resist rust, corrosion, and high heat, making them perfect for everyday cooking or outdoor barbecues.
The brushed finish adds a sleek look, while the sturdy construction ensures a strong grip on food without bending or warping. The ergonomic handle with a non-slip black grip keeps your hands comfortable and safe even during long grilling sessions. And with the locking mechanism, you can easily close them for compact storage or hang them up to keep your kitchen organized. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, these tongs are designed for convenience, durability, and style.
Number 5.
Meet the Gorilla Grip stainless steel heat-resistant kitchen tongs, the perfect set for cooking, grilling, serving, and more. This two-piece set includes 9-inch and 12-inch tongs, giving you the right tool for every task. Whether you're flipping meats on the grill, tossing salad, or grabbing hot food from your air fryer, these tongs are built to perform. The non-scratch silicone tips are gentle on your cookware, so you can use them with non-stick pans without worry. Plus, they're heat-resistant, making them safe to use with high-temperature cooking. Made with durable stainless steel, these tongs feature a strong, non-slip grip for total control. And when you're done, the pull lock mechanism keeps them closed for easy storage in your drawer or utensil holder. Stylish in black with sleek stainless steel, these tongs aren't just tough, they look great in any kitchen. From everyday meals to weekend barbecues, the Gorilla Grip kitchen tongs are your go-to tool for safer, smarter, and easier cooking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.